Hello, I want to take a few minutes and talk to you about how I am differentiating with Canvas and a program called SAS Curriculum Pathways. So what I have done is created groups within Canvas. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So you can go to People in Canvas and you can create groups. So what I've done after I have completed my pretest, based on the rationale that I thought was fair, which is on my data, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 standard categories. So based on how they performed on certain standards, I added them into this group, which is called Advanced 8th Grade Science. And in that group, I have so many students from each block that were added into that group. Now, since they're in that group, now I can assign only that group certain assignments, so additional assignments for differentiation. So now, once I go back to my module set, I can create an assignment in there. So I can go here, go to assignment, new assignment, and I can call that whatever I want. And then once I create it, it should be here already. So this assignment is for them to sign up for SAS Curriculum Pathways. And if that looks familiar, SAS is the group that comes up with our EVOS data, that same company. So I'm going to open up a new tab and show you just a little bit about SAS. It's free. The state of North Carolina provides it, and it's really awesome. So I'm going to log in because I've already signed up. If you do go to sign up, you can use your Google account to do that. If I can get it to cooperate. Let me see if it'll let me log in. Here we go. Log in with Google. You sign up the same way. That's the easiest thing to do because most of our Windows computers were using our Google passwords to begin with. And then once you're in, you can go to settings and fill in all that information. And then you can click on students, and you have to click a button right in here anyhow the very first time, and it will give you this code. So I took that code and put it into my assignment for them to complete. So, or I'm going to put it in. So let me go back in. I'm working on 2 computers at a time, so I'm getting a little tangled up. So I already had this on another computer pulled up and completed, but I'll complete it here as well. So what's going on here is I'm going to let them know that you have been selected to participate in an accelerated 8th grade science class. You will, I should have already had this filled in, but you will participate in regular class activities, but you will be given extra assignments to grow further. You were chosen based upon your level of knowledge on the pretest. Now, please go to the following link and sign up. Here's the link. Paste. There's our link. Screenshot the, let me see, let me back up. So take a screenshot and submit. So now I can scroll on down and get into the meat of the deal here. All right, so points, just a participation grade. I'm going to put 100 points. I'm going to make them submit a file on a Google Doc, which is the screenshot. Not a big deal. Here's the part that's new. Group assignment, 8th grade, advanced 8th grade science. Sync to Power School. Then I can come down here and I can select my accelerated block 1, block 2, block 3, and block 4. If you do not select group assignment, you will not see those 4 options in that drop down. And then I shall save and publish, and I will continue, and once it saves, we are good. And then I can now go back to modules, and I want to slide that up through the list. So find that assignment, and then I'll put it in the order where I want it, which is right here. There we go. And now I have only those accelerated students that can see that assignment, and I can continue doing that for other assignments as we go along, and then I can differentiate. For those higher students. I can also do the same thing for lower students by adding in videos to better help them understand certain topics that I see them struggling with. So good way to differentiate using Canvas. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will get back to you, and I can add an additional video for follow-up questions. Have a great day.